Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome back. You are welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we do our Nigerian chin chin. Very soft, 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 and sweet. Mouth melting chin chin. That is what I'm going to show you today. So, like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you. Here, my beautiful people, making this mouth-watering chin chin. This is the recipes that I'm going to use. Here I have 9 cups of all-purpose flour. So when you are making your chin chin, there must be a remaining of flour so that you use it in rolling it. So I have here half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then I'm going to use milk, 1 cup of milk, 1 tin for the chin chin. Then that's my oil for frying. Then I'm going to add 1 medium size of egg. 1 medium size of egg. Then I'm adding 250 grams of margarine, or you add your butter, but 250. So 9 cups of all-purpose flour goes with 250 grams of margarine, then 1 medium size of egg, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a tin of milk. And I'm going to add half tablespoon of cinnamon in place of nutmeg. Thank you. So I'm going to sieve my all-purpose flour. After sieving I'm going to add all the dries, the salt, adding my baking powder, then adding my cinnamon, half a teaspoon, cinnamon chin chin. So I'll mix it very well. Yeah, so now I'm going to add the liquids. So I'll add my butter now. I'll add the egg. Add my egg now. So I'm adding the milk now. I'll be adding it. It's 1 cup. So it's ready to cut it now. So we are going to cut it into the shape that you want. Then you fry it. So it's ready to fry now. The oil is already on fire. So when it is hot, I'm going to fry it.
Ano paano to? Figure it.